Welcome to Perfect Blend's Kitchen, bringing amazing flavor to your table. Welcome everyone. It's Tamara, your host, the queen of sauces. So today I am going to show you how to make a delicious cheesy pesto flatbread using Perfect Blend Savory Pesto. So let's get started. Let's go over the ingredients. You will need a baked flatbread. It does not need to be this shape or this size. It can be smaller, half of this size, or it can be a round flatbread. You'll also need some fresh mozzarella, some fresh shredded mozzarella, some fresh spinach, some fresh basil. You will need some olive oil, some red pepper flakes. You definitely need some savory pesto, and you'll need some traditional ippies. You'll also need a brush, a spoon, and a baking sheet, a baking pan, so you can bake this flatbread.
After evenly coating the flatbread with olive oil, let's add the savory pesto. This sauce is a healthy alternative to regular red pizza sauce. It's all natural, gluten-free, nut-free, dairy-free, yet creamy and yummy. No added sugars, and it's low in sodium. So evenly distribute the sauce on the flatbread. Use as much as you like, just make sure it's fully covered. The sauce smells so good. Next, let's add some fresh mozzarella, as much as you like. Make sure you use enough to make it nice and cheesy. Now some fresh shredded mozzarella, some fresh spinach, as much or as little as you like, some fresh basil for some extra aroma and flavor, some more mozzarella, sprinkle some traditional ippies for some authentic flavor. Next, some red pepper flakes for some extra heat. Let's bake. The flatbread is ready and it looks delicious and it smells so good. So let cool off for about 5 minutes before slicing. This is one of my favorite go-to recipes on a busy night. My kids love it. Look how beautiful this turned out. Evenly cooked, cheesy, thin sliced, and perfect crust.
Alright family, so this is the result of our cheesy pesto flatbread. It turned out perfect. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to our channel for other delicious and healthy recipes using Perfect Blend's gourmet sauces. If you create this recipe at home, we'll love to hear how it turned out. Let us know, comment, share with your friends and family this wonderful recipe. And until next time, be safe, be well, and bon appetit.